In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter using free traffic from Twitter. And I'm going to share with you which services you should promote on Twitter if you want to earn commission like this. As you can see, I made $110 in commission just by promoting specific services on Twitter. And I will share with you which services I was promoting on Twitter, because you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are looking for on Twitter. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to join Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do is you need to go to Google first, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so you can check this website. If you scroll down, you can check, see commission. They are paying a lot of money in commission. Okay, it's up to $115, as you can see over here. Okay, so just for those services, as you can see, you can earn up to $15. Okay, graphic design, data, programming, teach, and $14 for those services, $13 for those services. That's a lot of money. Fiverr affiliate is profitable affiliate business that you can start. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process to a Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Okay, answer a few questions. Okay, you can say yes or no, scroll down, choose your country, then choose your language. Okay, then if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just Skype this part, click on next, answer a few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do now is you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go to your home page. So now we will search for specific service that people will be interested to buy in Twitter. Okay, so what you will do, click on the search over here and search for logo design. Okay, search for logo design, because there are a lot of people searching for this service on Twitter. I'm gonna show you how you can find those people. So just search for logo design, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose good sellers like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will click on your affiliate link and they will buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose, okay, let's see, let's scroll down. I will choose, for example, this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star, and he is selling this service from $25. I will click on his service. So just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, as you can see, what you will do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link like this. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, then click on default and tip links. Okay, like this, then click over here. Okay, and put the link you copy here. Okay, like this, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so just copy this link from here. And as you can see, this link is too much long, so we need to make it short link. So what you will do is you just need to go to Google. You can search for bit.ly and sign up by using your email address to this website. This website make long links short and you can use it for free. Okay, so just click on create new link, put your affiliate link here, then click over here on create. Okay, like this, And here you go, this is your affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link from here. What you will do next is you need to go to Twitter. Okay, so if you don't have an account on Twitter, go to Google, search for Twitter, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page on Twitter. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click on the search over here, okay, and search for I need logo. Okay, search for I need logo like this. Click over here on latest, okay, like this. Then scroll down. Okay, so let me see. I need an IPTV fast logo designer. This, as you can see, this person just posted this post. It's just 2 minutes. Okay, it's just 2 minutes. Now he is looking for logo designer. Okay, so if I need logo designer, here is another. It's the same person. Yes, it's still looking for logo designer. So for example, what you will do is you will click over here on reply. Okay, like this. Click on reply, put this affiliate link here. Okay, like this. What you will do, go back to this seller page and copy his title. Okay, like this. Then go back to Twitter and put this title here, like this. Then click over here. As you can see, this is my affiliate link. Click over here on reply. Okay, this affiliate link will be sent to this person who is looking for logo designer. Okay, as you can see, it will be like this. Okay, so we are replying to this person. He is looking for logo designer, and I sent him my affiliate link here. I will create minimalist logo design for your business. So if he is still looking for logo designer, he will click on my affiliate link like this. If he click on my affiliate link, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. Okay, if you click on continue and buy this service from my affiliate link, I will earn commission. It's really easy and simple. So that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter using free traffic. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.